Hey guys, this is your buddy Rome. I want to do a quick video showing you guys this really cool upgradable motorcycle lock. Now this is going to be good for bicycles, for scooters, motorcycles, cruisers, or sport bikes. So you guys see the box that it actually comes in. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up. Let me show you guys everything that comes in the box. So it comes with a few accessories, one of them being this helmet lock, which is really nice. So most of us who ride use a helmet. So you have this little lock. It has a combination. You can easily set this up, lock your helmet onto your scooter or your motorcycle. Really nice. This is braided, but it is metal cord through here. The sides here are plastic. The locking mechanism right here is also metal going into a metal cylinder. So you're going to be able to, easily lock that. Let me just turn this real quick here and you guys can see that is pretty well done. Okay. Perfect for protecting your helmet from, people walking off with it. All right. So what else does it come with? It comes with a little starter manual that shows you how to get everything set up. You're also going to get 2 keys. Now this is going to be for your throttle and your brake caliber lock. Okay. So you get 2 of these keys, one that you can take with you and one you can probably leave at home or something like that. So here's the actual lock that you get. Now this is like a die cast aluminum. Here is the lock mechanism right here. And of course the keys just go in like that and you can unlock this. And again, you're going to lock this down over your throttle and your brake caliber right here. Okay. Super well made aluminum, and it also comes with the inserts. Let me show you guys those. So you get these little rubberized inserts that you can put inside there to make sure that everything fits properly, which is really nice. And you get a set of those that come with it as well. So if you have a motorcycle, if you have a scooter, if you have any of those type of vehicles and you're looking for a way to secure it beyond normal security, this is going to be something worth taking a look at, guys. And like I said, you get both of those things in the box. So definitely check this out. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.